Everyone, this is Mahima here to explain my third experiment in DBMS lab. If you remember in the last experiment, we saw how to create and manage the tables in a database. Now, in addition to those tables, I have added an extra column in two tables, that is course and batch. The column name is net income with these values. Now in this experiment we are going to see as to how we can use aggregate function, group by and order by clause and built-in functions in an SQL to manage the database. Now the first question we are supposed to do is to find out the average income from each batch. So this is my query, select average net income from batch group by course code. Here as you can see, average is an aggregate function using which you can find the aggregate value of a specific column. Group by clause is used to group a particular column based on a particular value. So over here I get my output as 9,000 and 8,000. Now for the second one, we are supposed to find out the name of the course having maximum net income. Here as you can see, I have given the same, select average net income and the course name. And over here, I have made use of a having clause, which is used to give a condition after grouping the columns or the column values. So I get my corresponding output of the course having the maximum net income. After that, for the third one, we are supposed to display the total fees paid by a particular student. So if you see in the last table fees paid, we have a column named as roll number, using which we can give the condition as where roll number is equal to a particular roll number. So I get my output for the student. In the same way, if you'd like to give for a different roll number, we can do so, for which we get the similar kind of output. Now for the next one, we are supposed to find out the income course wise. So over here, I have given my query based on two tables, that is course and batch, and I have combined two columns which are common in both the tables. And after that, in order to give it a specific order, I have made use of order by course code. So as you can see over here, I get my output as the course name, the course code, and the corresponding net income. Now for the next one, we are supposed to find out the number of inquiries for a specified course code. So here I have given my query as select count of inquiry number. Now count is again an aggregate function which is used to find out the number of values in a specific column. So over here I have counted my inquiries and I have given a condition, that is where course code equal to 10, as it was specified in the question that we have to find for a specified course code, for which I get my output as count. If we'll compare with the table, as you can see, we get the output for course code number 10, for which there is only one inquiry. Alright, now for the next one, we are supposed to display the name starting with capital S or small s. This can be done using a keyword like, followed by the string which we are supposed to give. So over here I need to display those values where the name starts with an S. So I have given S followed by a percentage symbol. Percentage symbol means that it accepts every single string starting with S followed by any characters. Now for the next one, we are supposed to display the amount in this format. For that we have a function named as toChar, where we are supposed to give the column and the format we'd like to display. And yeah, that's it, for which we get the output in this way. Alright, now for the next one, we have to replace all the first characters with capital and the others in lowercase. So we have a function named as initCap, followed by the column name, using which we can display the strings or what are the values you want to in this order. After that, we are supposed to display the monthly and weekly income. So for the weekly income, I have multiplied the net income by 7 and renamed it as weekly income. And for the monthly income, I have multiplied it by 30 and renamed it as monthly income. So I get my corresponding output. After that, we are supposed to display the amount from fees paid table with a dollar sign in the beginning, for which if I give select followed by the dollar sign and then the column name, I get my output in this way. Okay. After that, we are supposed to have we are supposed to find out the course that had the maximum inquiry. Alright, so for the next one, we are supposed to arrange the student name in descending order, for which I have given my query as select F name followed by a space and then the S name, which I have renamed as name from the inquiry table, and I have ordered it in descending order using this keyword. So as you can see, it is arranged in descending order. Now after that, we are supposed to find out the average inquiry of each course and which all are inquired more than the average. So as you can see, I have made use of two aggregate functions at a time, ABG and count, from course table. I have grouped it using course code column and I have given a having clause. As you can see over here, the column appears to be empty, which means that if we compare with this table, we have the inquiry table over here. We see that each of the courses have been inquired just once, which is why our column remains empty. After that, for the last one, we are supposed to find out the course which is offered with minimum price, for which I have made use of a function named as min, and then I have given my having clause, and I have made use of group by clause for course code column, and I get my minimum fees and the course code, that is 10. So once my work is done, I give a commit, and then in order to close my spool file, I give spool off. So that's it for my experiment. Thank you for watching.